What's up, guys? How are you all doing out there tonight? Hopefully everybody had a fantastic day today. It is time once again for the Boombox. I got this month's Boombox high-end in today, and if you are not familiar with this, it is another option in the ever-expanding world of repackaged products that deliver hobby packs to your house on either a one-time or a monthly basis. So we're going to crack this one open and see what we get this month. Alright, so let's grab this out first. November's high-end boombox updates. 2018 Prizm, like it already. 2018 Phoenix. 2018 Illusions. 2018 Elite. And look for these special insert packs in addition to featured bonus packs. 2018 Unparalleled and 15 Contenders. One or more 15 pack boxes this month. Nice. Cool, man. 2018 Rookies and Stars Hobby. Next month. Alright, cool. Well, let's get through the packing peanuts and get to our packs for the month. Let's see what we got. We got our magnetic one-touch holder. 35 point. Hopefully we need that bad boy today. That would be nice. Let's see. We got 2018 Donruss. 15 Prizm. Looks like these were some extras. Some bonus packs. We got 2018 Elite. 2018 Illusions, 18 Phoenix, and 18 Prizm. Well, all right. Let's do it. So let's hit up the 15 Prizm first, and then we'll get to the Donruss and so on. I picked up this Fumagalli today from the LCS. I couldn't pass it up. It looks so nice. Leaf Flash. Haven't opened any of that, but it is a possibility. I might do that in the future because I love the way those things look. Michael Floyd. Ooh, we got looks like we got an autograph. Matt Forte. Oh, Nelson Aguilar. That's not bad. I think it's stuck a little. Oh, it's not an autograph. It's one of those, had me fooled. It's one of those short print rookie cards. I believe there's one of these in every box, so it is a short print rookie card, but had me fooled. Kevin White rookie. All right, 2018 Donruss Hobby. All right, DeMarcus Lawrence. Frank Clark. Ezekiel Ansah, Vernon Davis, Tyler Eifert, Robert Woods. Well, I'm not going to be fooled again. Brett Favre. That is out of 359. Nice little PC card right there. 359 completions in 1995. Gridiron Kings, Khalil Mack. Tremaine Edmonds, and rated rookie of Bradley Chubb. All right, so let's do Elite. Let's do a pack of Elite. Last time I opened a pack of this, I got a Mike Gesicki autograph, but Chandler Jones, got Joe Mixon, Field Vision, Dan Bailey. Interesting. That is a purple parallel, numbered to 75. 35 of 75 for the Dan Bailey. Obviously, he is on the Vikings now. And we have a Le'Veon Bell and a Doug Baldwin. All right, let's do Phoenix. 2018 Phoenix. Love the way these base cards look. Frank Gore. Trubisky. Blake Bortles. Maroon. Should be to 299. 78 to 299. Unmatched. Terry Bradshaw. And a Bradley Chubb rookie. Now, they aren't the most valuable in the card scene, but they are some of the cleanest, I have to say. All right, let's hit up the 2018 Illusions. DJ Moore and Calvin Benjamin. Got a nice Gurley Davis. Todd Gurley, Terrell Davis matching numbers. Very cool. Frank Gore and Ricky Williams out of 199. Rashad Penny, Sean Alexander, and Jenkins and Dawkins. All right. Yeah, down to one pack. Prizm, 2018. Suppose we're looking for an autograph or something here. We will see. Jameis Winston. Gronk. Richard Sherman. Jamal Adams. Calais Campbell. Cam Newton. Tevin Coleman. DeMarcus Lawrence. Blake Bortles. Is that gold? Oh no, that is an orange Le'Veon Bell die cut. That's numbered out of 249. Cedric Wilson Jr. and Vita Vea. All right, that is going to do it. No hits this month. Got some numbered cards. Got a couple of cards that threw me for a loop. Is that gold? No, it's not gold, dude. And is this an auto? No, that's not an auto. But Ricky Williams got the Bortles, the Bailey to 75, and the Favre. So nothing crazy this month, but always a good time to rip some hobby packs, especially, you know, get home from work or something, and you got a box at your door waiting for you to open. So that is going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon.